Today, we extend a warm welcome to the enchanting Tulip Garden in Amsterdam. Mid-April to early May is the prime time for tulip blooms. Did you know there are over 1,000 tulip varieties? Each one tells a story. The elegant Queen of the Night flaunts deep purple petals, while the Parrot tulip looks like it's wearing a flamboyant feathered costume. Centuries ago, tulips sparked a frenzy known as tulip mania. People traded tulip bulbs like precious gems. Thankfully, today we can simply admire their beauty without breaking the bank. Tulips are more than just flowers here. They're woven into Dutch culture. They symbolize love, prosperity, and the arrival of spring. So now, sit back and enjoy the rest of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that like button and thus sprinkle some love. May your days be vibrant as a tulip in full bloom. Thank you for watching.